Most people think profit in broiler farming only comes from selling chickens. But on my farm, profits start from how we manage inputs and continues even after the chickens are sold. Why we choose grass bedding. On our farm, grass is easily available. Instead of leaving it unused, we cut it, use it as bedding for our broilers. Grass works well because it is comfortable for the chickens. It absorbs moisture when dry. It helps the chicken house warm. It is easy to manage if you pay attention. What matters most is management though, not the materials that are used. How we prepare the grass. We do not use fresh grass or wet grass. This is our process. We cut the grass, we spread it under the sun, we allow it to dry completely. Only dry grass goes into the chicken house. Wet grass can cause bad smell, diseases, food problems, poor growth. Dry grass is safe and preparation is the key. How we manage the bedding from day 1 up to 6. We spread a thin layer of grass on the floor. We check the floor daily. We remove any wet spots around wrinkles, or rather top the grass around wet spots. We do not remove the bedding, not even once. We continue to top the grass up until 6 weeks. Cover wet spots. Also make sure the house stays dry. So we continue to top, even if it means every day. We top the grass for broilers to be on the dry surface. We repeat this process up until 6 weeks. When the broilers are sold, good ventilation is very important so that the moisture does not build up. When bedding is dry and well managed, the house smells less. Chickens remain clean. Feet stay healthy. Growth continues normally. Dirty floors cause stress to beds, and stressed beds do not grow well. Clean bedding supports good performance, and it also brings our income. Here is what we do with the bedding manure after 6 weeks. We sell all the broilers, remove the bedding and manure. We put it into sacks and we sell this chicken manure to cattle farmers. It is good for cattle fattening. Cattle farmers used to feed it under proper management for cattle fattening. It has high nutrients to cattle. So if we sell them like 15 cents per kg. So it is very profitable for us. It creates another income. It is broiler projects. In most of the time, broiler projects, it's the cost, like all the money goes to feed, like 70% of the money that you have goes to feed. So as for us to recover those costs, it's the manure that help us recover the cost. So we sell the manure for like 15 cents per kg. So if you have like 5,000 kg of manure, it's $750, and you can use this money to buy feed for next batch. This creates another source of income from the same broiler cycle. We make sure nothing is wasted Keeping broilers, it's all about management. Our profit comes from selling broilers, saving money during production, selling manure after the cycle. This means one project gives income in more than one way. I will explain, I will make more videos on how to save money during production, because it is very important. It is very important as feed, like I said, feed takes like 70% of the money. So if you are to reduce the percentage, I'll make videos for saving money during production. This system works only if grass is well dried, bedding is managed regularly, ventilation is good, manure is sold to people who know how to use it. Poor management can cause losses. You already know that. And then I'm sharing this to help small scale farmers think differently about profit and waste. If this video helped you, subscribe for more.